Hello everyone.
Yes.
This is Coach Zoran,
Yes.
the best tennis coach in the end of the world, end of
Yes.
Europe, and he
In the
wants to
God's world.
in the God's world,
Yes.
and he wants to say some words about if Earth is flat or rounded. So what do you think?
I don't know if Earth is flat or rounded, but for sure Earth is not spinning ball like they are saying to us. I know this for sure. But maybe Earth is rounded, maybe it's flat. Until the scientists don't prove this with the real picture from the space, I will
So all
not
these
believe
pictures,
anything.
all these pictures that we have on
Yeah, they are in Photoshop. All these pictures
all.
we have from the space are Photoshop. There is no real picture
So
of the Earth from the space.
so these people that they are living on in the space in a station, they call them
Um,
space stations. They are living there. They are
they are calling this.
researchers.
Yes, they cannot make the picture of the Earth.
They cannot make it.
No,
Why
you
not?
don't have. Why not ask them, Philip? Ask NASA. You can ask NASA why they cannot make
But NASA
one
says
on
that
it.
if you ask
What?
NASA, they will say that they do.
Okay, they can show to the people real picture of the Earth. What is the problem? Why they don't show one picture of the Earth normal?
But they show.
Where?
You can see on internet.
On internet you can see only Photoshop pictures. You
Only
don't have real
Photoshop.
pictures or picture of the. This is all fake.
All fake.
All. Right
Okay.
now. So now they have cameras. You have this Poco Coco phone with 4 cameras. File. This can make picture from the space station. What is in orbit? It's not in the space. This space
Okay,
station.
whatever.
They are
Yes.
saying. It's in real orbit of the.
So what do you think about gravity?
Gravity. I don't know. You can ask Nikola Tesla what he thought about gravity. He thought that it is real magnetic field, that gravity doesn't exist. But okay, this is for scientists. I'm not scientist.
Yes, but gravity is a magnetic field. The Earth has
It's a,
a
big,
magnetic
big
magnetic.
problem. It's a big problem about that. I'm not physicians, so they can explain it better. What is gravity? What is magnetic field? This is 2 different things.
So what do you think if you have a small aeroplane, let's say, okay,
Yes.
and you start going one direction, in low, not too high, and you have infinite fuel, let's say,
Yes.
okay, this is just
Yes.
an theoretical question, and you
Yes.
go one direction,
Yes.
where are you gonna end up after 40,000 kilometers?
I don't know. There was one experiment, but nobody get around Earth from the. I don't know, from east, from the west, from the opposite side. Nobody. They go only one direction around Earth, not opposite. And it's scientifical proved that if you go one direction or different direction, you are not. If the Earth is spinning ball, you will get faster through one direction than through another.
And this is
direction.
what is happening.
This is not happening.
Yes,
This, if you catch the flights
Yes.
from New York to Peking to Beijing, and this around, they are
Yes.
going at the same time from one direction to another.
They say that it's not the same. There are hours
Who is
difference.
saying?
Hour difference.
Who is saying?
You
This?
can check the flight time.
Yeah, you can check the flights are going. Okay.
Let's
I
suppose the flights are going.
I don't want to speak about that. I know
Why?
that they are not going from Australia through the opposite side. They are going only one side. They are going flights.
Yeah, probably it's closer. One way is always closer than the other.
It's not the truth. It's much closer from the opposite side.
So if it's
This is the problem.
so if it's the opposite
This
side,
is the
then it
problem.
means that the Earth is rounded. So I saw.
This is very difficult question. It's very difficult question.
Okay, but
I think the Earth is looking is not flat, is rounded, but under over the Earth is dome. Over the Earth is dome for sure. I'm sure of that.
what do you mean dome?
Dome means that it closed. Nobody can go outside of Earth atmosphere because of Van Allen belts. It's proven by this is proven by scientists. And they said from NASA, we never go through Van Allen belts, but they went to the moon. They said they went to the moon, and this is big lie. Because nobody can went through the Van Allen belts. And this is the real truth. And they are trying now how to go to the interspace.
So you think nobody went to Mars?
No.
Not to Mars, to the moon, sorry.
No, for sure.
To the moon, nobody went. So it was all fake.
But this is fake. This is film from Hollywood.
Okay.
This is Hollywood film. For the
But now they are planning to somehow to get to Mars.
why nobody went last 50 years to the moon if they went to the moon. Now science is lower than before.
No,
Why nobody
definitely
went?
not.
Definitely not, because they didn't go. They are now trying to go there, and they doesn't know how. This is the problem.
So it was a Hollywood studio.
Hollywood studio, and the guy who made the film before he died, he said everything about that.
Okay, I have a
But
very,
they don't want to
you
see
know,
this in the
I have a very good friend, Eleni Papananou2, who is a
Yeah.
physicist.
Yeah.
Now she lives in United States.
Yes.
Can I send this video to her and ask
Send
her to respond?
Ask her to respond. And
You
to
know
show-
Eleni, I
ask
think.
her
I think
to-
you know
to-
Eleni.
To send me a real picture of the Earth, nothing else, and I will believe.
Okay.
Real
okay,
picture
okay.
of the
So
Earth, not
Eleni
Photoshop.
Papananou, you hear this?
Not Photoshop.
Zoran is asking you to send her a real picture, but I don't. If she sends something, a picture, and you will say that is not real.
A real picture,
How she
not
can-
Photoshop. You can
How she can?
recognize
But how she
Photoshop.
can prove that it's a real picture?
If she find the real picture doesn't exist. This is the problem.
No, but how she
Every
can prove?
year, last 50 years, NASA is putting different pictures of the Earth, Philly. You can see NASA picture is 1971, is 80, is 80 years, is 90, is all different.
Okay.
They're all fake. So what? There is no real picture. This is the problem.
So how Eleni will prove that
I
it's a
don't
real
know.
picture?
Let her. If she found the real picture, I will believe.
Okay.
She can
Okay,
find.
so Eleni,
And we can.
do you
we
hear
can
us,
ask,
Eleni?
We can ask someone if it's not Photoshop or yes. If not, someone not put the clouds and put the continents. They are putting different kind of continents. One time Africa is bigger. One time USA is bigger, and like this, Missy Malakias. This is bullshit. Only stupid people can believe in this.
Only stupid people.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the opinion of Mr. Zoran,
Yeah.
and we will see the answer if Eleni is a nice girl. I think she will answer for us. Okay, we will get back then.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.